this is the landing page of the site. To click my account for login to the site. This is my account dashboard. You can put your email address, password and login for this. And if you are not registered, first user can register here. So I can log in with my social account, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. So I use my Google to log in. Click on this. So again click on my account. So this is user dashboard. You can see this is dashboard after login to the site. This is dashboard, this is order option, addresses option, account details. So I have not added any item to the cart. I have no added any order, so there is no details here. After adding product or item, then all details show here. So click on get entries, choose and win the lucky draw. There is two options available for winning the lucky draw, car and house. So I can choose car to win. Click on this, win a car. There is four options available. User purchase entries in different amount in euro, then can win a car. Also free version is available. First of all, I try free version, so click on get now. This is the free version dashboard. Total 19 entries entered. 10 days left for ending this price. So I have no entries and two ways to enter. So first of all, I have to log in to enter to win this giveaway in free. So click on this, use your email. Click enter. So congratulations, you are signed in. Start earning entries by completing the actions below. So user can get entries after watching the video complete. Video duration is 1 minute, and also take survey user, then can get user 1 entry. So first of all, click on watch a video. This is dummy video, so user can you can see that as video is complete, tick option is available here and user get one entries. Now click on answer a survey. I put dummy data is here. What's your name? I select user 2 and submit. This option is also ticked and user get one entry to complete this action. So this is free version for user. Now you can see 21 entries has become before completing this action. 19 entries is here and 0 entries is here, but now 2 entries is here and 21 entries has become for completing this action. So this is the free version. Now click on get entries again, same process, click on car option. Now I have to purchase 120 entries in 70 euro, so click on buy now. This is product this is car image, 120 entries, so enter for your chance to win the car. If I 120 entries for one time, if I click on 2 times, so you can see that also price is double. If I click on 3rd time, also price is updated. So I click on just one time, so click on participate now. So 120 entries has been added to your cart. So 2 times is added on the cart. I cancel. So this 350 entries is already added in cart. So 350 entries in $150. So click on proceed to checkout. If customers user has coupon code, so enter. Otherwise this is checkout page and this is billing details, this is order details. 350 entries just one time, so price is $150 and subtotal is $150, total is $150. So only cash on delivery payment method is applied for now. After that I integrate all methods, PayPal, Stripe, as you want. So this is the billing dashboard. After putting the all details in billing, and then click place order. So thank you, your order has been received. Order number is here, date is here, email is here, amount is, and payment method is also present, cash on delivery. So this is order details, 350 entries, ticket number, cash on delivery, mean all details over here that I put on checkout page. So if I click on my account page, now click on orders. So you can see that this is order detail in my account dashboard. Order number, date, status is processing, $150 for one item. So I can click on view button. This is complete detail of my order. So this is the process to get entries for the user. Also click on get entries. I choose car, so user can choose also house for lucky draw. Same process is here. Free version is here. Mean there is 4 option, there is 5 option to win a house. So same process. So further working on this project. So this is working on this project. So there is update for. So thank you.